Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I am going to discuss with you a problem on preparation of royalty chart, and this problem is different from earlier problems. And this problem has been asked in December 2017 in section B for 5 marks. Mr. Channabasu wrote a book on financial accounting and got it published with Gadag Publishers on the terms that royalties will be paid at rupees 5 per copy sold. Okay, so here the point to be noted is royalty is paid at rupees 5 per copy sold, subject to a minimum rent of rupees minimum rent is rupees 15,000 per year, with a right of recoupment of short workings over the first 3 years. Okay, so this is important. Recoupment of short workings is only available for first 3 years, and after 3 years if any short workings takes place, then the recoupment is not possible and it is not given of the royalty agreement. Now here information is given for 4 years. See, first column is year, second column is number of copies printed, and third column is number of copies closing stock. So see here, year is given, number of copies printed is given, and closing stock is given. Okay, 2013, 14, 15, 16. Number of copies printed in 2013 is 2000 copies printed and closing stock is 100. In 2014 3000 copies are printed, 200 is closing stock. So like that 15 and 16 is given, and at the end they have asked prepare royalty payable chart. Okay, now the brief analysis of this problem is, see here, royalty is fixed rupees 5 per copy sold. Okay, and minimum rent is fixed 15,000 per year. Recoupment of short working is available only for first 3 years, and here number of copies printed and closing stock is given. Okay, so the problem is very simple one, but it is different from previous problems. So let's begin. This is royalty payable chart which we have discussed in our earlier problems. Now here one slight change is there, because in this problem they have given number of copies printed and number of copies of closing stock, and royalty is based on copy sold, rupees 5 per copy sold. So here in the problem they have not mentioned number of copies sold. So here we have to ascertain that number of copies sold based on with a help of one working note. So here working note I have given, working note calculation of sales, and this is in quantity. Okay, so how to calculate sales? See here in this problem number of copies printed is given and closing stock is given. Okay, and here last year closing stock will be next year's opening stock. So the formula for calculation of sales is sales in quantity is equal to opening stock plus number of copies printed minus closing stock. So see in 2013 opening stock is nil, there is no opening stock, plus number of copies printed is 2000 and closing stock is 100. Okay, so number of copies printed 2000 minus closing stock is 100, so is equal to 1900. So this is in quantity, this is not in amount. So see in 2014, so opening stock last year, that is 2013 closing stock will be opening stock for 2014. So take this closing stock here, so 100 plus, so see in 2014 number of copies printed 3000, closing stock 200. Okay, So number of copies printed 3000 minus closing stock is 200. So here it is 2900 copies sold. Okay. In 2015, so here opening stock will be 2014 is closing stock will be opening stock here. So it is 200 plus number of copies printed in 2014, sorry, in 15 is 4000. So 4000 and closing stock which is given in the problem 400. So it is 3800. 3800 books were sold. So in 2016, so last year closing stock will be this year's opening stock. So here it is 400 plus number of copies printed 5000, closing stock is 500. So 5000 minus 500. So here it is 4900 books sold. So here last year closing stock will be opening stock here. So last year closing stock will be opening stock here. So last year closing stock will be opening stock because opening stock is not given. Last year closing stock will be this year's opening stock. So here these are the number of copies sold. So here, so we have to take this amount here. So this 1900 we have to record it here. 1900. So this 2900 should be 2014 sales, 2900. Okay. So like that 3800 and 4900 we have to record over here. 3800, 4900. Okay. Now the next party is already you know. So just sales it is in quantity 1900 into 5. So here we have to use calculators for this. 1900 into 5. So it is 9500. 2900 into 5. So it is 14,500. So 3,800 into 5. So it is 19,000. 4,900 into 5. So it is 24,500. Now minimum rent which is given in the problem. So how much it is? It is fixed every year. So it is 15,000, 15,000, 15,000 and it is 15,000. It is every year it is fixed. Now short workings. So what is short workings? When actual royalty is less than minimum rent, it is short workings. So here actual royalty is 9,500 and minimum rent is 15,000. So actual royalty is less than minimum rent. So how much it is? Short, it is 5,500. 15,000 minus 9,500. So there is no surplus, no recovery, no irrecovered. So actual royalty paid is whichever is higher, actual royalty or minimum rent. So here minimum rent is higher. So 15,000. So in 2014, so actual royalty is 14,500 and minimum rent is 15,000. So it is, there is short workings. So how much short workings is there? Because actual royalty is less than minimum rent. So 500 is short workings. There is no surplus, no recovered, no irrecovered. So actual royalty payable is whichever is higher. So 15,000 is higher. Now in 2015 actual royalty is 19,000, minimum rent is 15,000. So see over here, actual royalty is more than minimum rent. When actual royalty is more than minimum rent, so there is an existence of surplus. How much surplus is there? So there is a surplus of, just guess, it is 4,000. 19,000 minus 15,000. So recovery of short workings. So see in the problem what they have given. recoupment of short workings over the first 3 years of the royalty agreement. So the recoupment, that is recovery of short workings, is available up to 3 years, 13, 14 and 15. So after that, in 2016 there is no recoupment of short working facility is available. So see, here surplus is 4,000 and short workings is, see, short workings is 5,500 and 500. Total short workings is 6,000 and surplus is 4,000. Okay, so how much we can maximum recover? 4,000. Actually we have to recover 6,000, but 6,000 amount is not available, only 4,000 is available. So 4,000 is recovered. So irrecovered, how much it is? 2,000. So how this 2,000 is calculated? So how it is arrived? So see, 5,500 plus 500, 6,000, 6,000 minus 4,000, it is recovered 4,000. So how much left over here? 2,000 is irrecovered. So here royalty paid. See, actually 19,000 should be paid, but out of this 19,000, how much short working is recovered? 4,000. So 19,000 minus 4,000, it is 15,000. Okay. Now in the last year 2016, actual royalty is 24,500. Minimum rent is 15,000. So actual royalty is more. So therefore there is no short workings. When actual royalty is more than minimum rent, so there is an existence of surplus. So how much surplus is there? 24,500 minus 15,000, 9,500. So there is no recovery, there is no irrecovered. So actual royalty paid is whichever is higher, 24,500. Okay. So this is what the solution for the problem. Thank you.